in January, leased by January 2010. Which would be exactly 10 years from the time this project died. I thought it was kind of cool. A revival Bible would die and revive again. 10 years, which is a testing number. That cool, and a completion number. Kind of cool. Now I've got to find this here. I'll put. Let me find it. Yeah, I think this is the one.
Okay, then let's go our first contestant. In here, we're all talking about.
My name is Steve Creed. I'm from Sunoco Park.
How old are you, Steve?
I'm 11 years old.
Well, 11 is a little bit young to have any real secrets, but we'll make an exception in your case because I happen to know that you do have an exceptional secret. And if you'll whisper to me, we'll let the audience know. Maybe a clue this time around concerning something this young gentleman did, and we'll start the game with Henry Morgan. You have Steve? Steve?
Oh, keep getting it.
Is anybody else mentioned in your secret?
No.
Is there something you did that you got some kind of recognition for?
No.
Well, you could say yes. Steve said, do you agree?
Yes.
Yeah. If the facts were known, the recognition would be involved. Okay. Did it have anything to do with anything you did in school?
No.
Did it have anything to do in the field of athletics?
No.
Is it something that you wrote?
Yes.
Well, strictly speaking, we better say no. You'll understand the yes and the no later. Henry, $20 now. That's it?
You didn't write, but did you do any writing, Steve? Winkie Pratney. You did some writing. Did you do an adaptation of something that was already written? Did you write your own version?
No, I think on that writing area, you're getting down the garden path.
Well, I know you and I both have to beat on the door tonight to get into the studio. They have blocked out, but once you grew up. Did you have to do something within your own home? No. Did you do it inside any sort of enclosure? Yes.
Yes, so that's irrelevant.
Irrelevant. Did you do something that is unusual for an 11-year-old boy to do? Did it have to do with your hands more than your head? No.
Both were involved, I would say.
Both were involved.
$40 down. Don't tell him.
There's merely one place to go, and it has to do with your feet, Keith. You did this recently while you were 11.
Yes.
Is it something, Keith, more usually done by a boy older than 11?
Yes.
You didn't flunk Glee Club as I was it a scholastic accomplishment?
No.
Was it a physical? If we mentioned athletic, but physical?
No.
Was it an aesthetic accomplishment?
In a sense, yes.
In the field of, broadly, the field of art?
No.
Well, very broadly, yes. Well, broad, you have no idea, but did this.
Did it give us...
You're on the trail of something, Rachel. $60 down, Beth.
Kate, did you create something? Yes. Out of your own...
He created something, but that is not directly relevant to the secret, only secondarily relevant.
It is in the field of art, though. Is it specifically in the field, say, of drama, as opposed to any other? Entertainment.
It's in the field of entertainment.
All right. Is it something that you do very well? Is it singing? Yes.
Singing is relevant, but...
And playing an instrument? Did you compose something?
All of those are relevant, but they are not the heart of the secret.
Not the heart of the secret. Did you appear someplace that would be very unusual? Did you make a record? Yes.
That's all relevant. You're certainly in on it, panel. If you've noticed lately that teenage singing stars are taking over the entertainment world, prepare yourself for an additional shock now, because you're looking at a young man of only 11 who just signed a 5-year recording contract as a rock and roll singer. singing professionally?
I'm Master.
Just a year ago, but I understand before that you were writing songs. Is that right? I see. And that's another facet of Keith's career, as your questioning brought out. That not only has he been signed by Decca Records as a singer, but a music publishing company has just offered him a contract to buy 4 of his songs. What's the name of your first record, incidentally?
The first side is The Way I Used to Be, and the second side is The Good Go Getter.
I see. And how many songs have you written, though?
Over 40.
Mm-hmm. And you play instruments too, huh?
Yes, that's for the piano and the guitar.
Good for you. Well, Keith, in just a second or two now, the engineers will have all the microphones and equipment set up for you over there. And we have some wonderful musicians, Norman Paris and the Senior Citizens, ladies and gentlemen. We will give you a little background, so help yourself to the piano, Keith. Here's Keith Green singing one of his own songs. We will do a lot of things together.
Keith is incredibly talented and gifted, but that's not the Keith Green that changed the world. Something happened to Keith growing up. Actually, he never did get to do 5 records. He had great talents, great gifts. But when you get there, you really have nothing to say. It doesn't matter. I have a friend who's married a girl who is from one of the super groups, and they minister now in Hollywood. They sing on the streets. It's really powerful ministry. And he said to me, I have been wondering why it is that certain groups or certain people are chosen by the music industry when other people say, well, they don't play or sing as well as this particular group. So why do they pick them instead of that? Now, what is it that makes a record company or something say, we want these people? If you look at the great superstars in the music world and the entertainment, why these ones as opposed to others that maybe sounded better or something? Bob Dylan has not got, an awesome voice. But the legends are there anyway. And he said, I think I know what it is. He said, what the music industry is looking for is for people who have the ability to express conviction and communicate it to an audience. And I think that's true. You'd be amazed to see how many people got their convictions in church, in the music industry, whose first time they ever sang and learned to sing was in the house of God. And what they did with that gift afterwards is between them and God. But I believe God puts gifts in people's lives long before they're born. And those gifts were designed to bring glory to Jesus. When I met Keith, he had just got saved. And I had the privilege of investing in his life, church history. Not any of church history. The message and the motives of the people that God used in the past. And he got it. You read it? And the Keith Green you'll hear now is not just a multi-talented kid that never actually did get finished. He became a marvelous studio musician. All kinds of people knew him. Pete Townsend of The Who, I heard him being interviewed as to what gave him courage to go into a rehab program to get rid of his alcoholism. He said, well, when my friend Keith Green died, it showed me how short life was, and it gave me courage. Bob Dylan played for him on one of his albums because he knew them. He was one of the best studio musicians. And you know what is that thing called? It's not Scrabble, is it? Where you have a box of letters. You shake it out. Boggle is what it is. And you've got like a minute to get as many words as you can from the letters. You never would have wanted to play with Keith. Because, people that are pretty swift with words, they might get like 10. He got like 25. He just right. I go, Keith, what? And they were all real words. Remember Amadeus? Ah! He was genius, and Paul Scholar, just